Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer leads from Formstack to HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Formstack account. Navigate to the Forms section and select the specific form you wish to transfer leads from. Locate the Submissions tab for that form. Click on this tab to view all submissions received. Once the submissions are visible, look for the Export option. Select Export to download the submission data, typically in a CSV format. Open your HubSpot account in a new tab. In HubSpot, go to the Contacts section from the main dashboard. Click on the Import button within the Contacts section. You will see options for importing data. Select File from Computer and then choose the CSV file you downloaded from Formstack. Follow the prompts to match the columns in your CSV file with HubSpot fields. If necessary, create new properties in HubSpot to match any custom fields from your CSV. Once you have completed the mapping process, confirm the import settings. Click Next to review your import, and then hit the Import button. Wait for the import process to complete, which may take a few moments depending on the number of leads. Once the import is finished, check your contacts list to ensure all leads are properly added. Navigate to each contact to verify the accuracy of the data transferred. You have now successfully transferred leads from Formstack to HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.